Dilay. Oh! First basket of the game is a triple. Salamat. Naipit. Lalabas. Dilay ready with a three-pointer earlier. Dilay with a floater this time. And Dilay scores again. Ito po, pinapakita rito. Itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. Once again, if you're just joining us, Randy Dilay getting his 5th point. This is the biggest lead of the game for Cagayan Valley. Dilay, one man to beat. Dilay beats Kevin Ferrer. What a run for the Rising Suns.
Full of energy.
Langkape, France. Here's Austria going to Tautua. Kabilang panic, Dilay, three-pointers there. Let's take a look at this excellent cross-court find. Galing dito kay Muala Tautua. Para naman dito kay Randy Dilay for that triple. Looking to tie with a triple. Dilay cannot fire. Nabigay sa gilid. That is... Wala ka pulit yan. Contending yun, di ba? Dilay off the glass. And that will drop. Dilay open. Dilay for three. Austria trying to make sure that doesn't happen. Dilay again! At 30 points already, if I'm not mistaken, what, 24? Here's a steal by Dilay. Dilay all the way. Dilay with a scoop shot.
This is the man.
How's it point?
Cagayan Rising Sun.
Under 2 minutes remaining. Dito po sa ating second quarter. Still a 9-point lead. Para sa ngayon, si Austria into the front court. Austria finds Dilay inside. Let's take a look at this beautiful assist pass that executed there. Still scoreless in this game. Going cross-court. Naging facilitator na lang siya. Dilay. Three-pointer is good. Lalabas dito kay Dilay. Dilay for three. Wow! Randy Dilay. Bigla na lang sumindi yung kanyang mid-shot from the outside. That's his third three-pointer of the game. By Jai Flores. Good steal by Flores. Ahead ngayon to Randy Dilay. And Dilay is hammered by Eman Calo.
Okay lang.
Rebound inside Melano. Labas ulit dito kay Dilay. Three-pointer is good. Ito papalakihin itong Kalamangan, which is now at the biggest. 12 points. Big that 15 points after that three-pointer from Randy Dilay. Tayong Tong momentarily open. Tayong Tong from 14 decides to pass out. Ikot ulit na bola. Dilay, three-pointer again. That's his third of the game. Found Randy Dilay wide open for a three.